Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create and how to use CEXIO platform. That one is one of the secure platform for the trading cryptocurrency. So what exactly features ongoing on that particular platform? Let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google. This application available on Android and iOS also, and just type here in CEX.io. First link is display here, like a Bitcoin and crypto exchange platform, the best trusted and secure Bitcoin and crypto exchange platform. Some basic information blocks are available here, brokerage charges, they are chargeable or not. Some basic informations available here, what exactly top cryptocurrency price nowadays going on, so they are providing here information. So one like how much pay you one Bitcoin today, one Bitcoin price like $49,000, and just simply buy. It's very simple, no need to much more understand or gather much more information. Using this one you can very easily buy Bitcoin. So first of all, we register here, click here in the start, like create your own account, already your account, so sign in, individual or business account. So definitely I select here business account, as email ID researchrock9@gmail.com, password, and here your first name. My first name is Research Rocks, country residence is India, more than 10 character it's needed, so I type here more than 10 character, some special, some capital. They are sending me one email on my email address, and now I confirm this email address. Now this is me, so here and then login. Here your password, what exactly you're adding, sign in. So my account is created. Look at this here, Research Rock. Click here profile. So here is my profile. You can verify for this your profile, like add some date of birth, accept individual, country, password. Security point of view, you click the security question sum. For the mandatory to verification, increase limit, skip. Security point of view, you add your IP address filter. So you always log in using this IP address, means physical IP address of your computer system. Use some address. So you generate the key, your user ID this one, and your key this one. You can use this key of different wallet. You can use those key any other wallet and use this money. So here some basic informations are available, market related and currency and exchange rate of dollar or other currency information. Bitcoin related informations are available here, Ethereum related informations are available here, and here is most important, you want deposit some money, you just simply click here and deposit money here. What exactly they charges you and which currency you want, find the currency. Suppose for example INR, I select here, find INR. You using this option, deposit the money, and withdrawal options are available here. You click here if in your account balance is available. So using the withdrawal option, you withdraw the money and use wherever you want exactly use. It's quite simple to log in and access this particular CEX.io platform. Finance related informations are available here, what exactly price going on, the you want a deposit euro, dollar, Great Britain pound or RUB. So all deposit options are available, withdrawal options are available, as a crypto balance, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency deposit and withdrawal options are available here. In finance, some cards related informations are available, you are adding some card, so this payment are available here, and other informations are available, and each and every tab some margin facilities also available. So all basic informations are available here. As a loan point of view, they are providing you loan also. So suppose for example you want loan like in a $500, so you pay then after sometimes like 1 month or annual, or like suppose for example here 1 year, I want take a loan 1 year $500, and you pay 554 US dollar, means 54 more than that. Annual interest is 9.8%. It's not high, but you can invest, take this money for this loan option. Amazing platform, you can create account and invest your money and buy cryptocurrency. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.